Welcome students to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to scientific notation. Scientific notation is a way of expressing very large or very small numbers in a compact form, making them easier to read, write, and work with. It is especially useful in fields like science and engineering, where such numbers are common. In scientific notation, a number is represented as a product of a coefficient and a power of 10. This method simplifies calculations and comparisons. Understanding scientific notation, large numbers. Step 1. Identify the number. Let's take the number 4,500,000 as an example. Step 2. Move the decimal point. To convert the number into scientific notation, move the decimal point to the left until only one non-zero digit remains to its left. 4,500,000. Moving the decimal point 6 places to the left gives us 4.5. Step 3. Count the moves. Count how many places you move the decimal point. In this case, we moved it 6 places to the left. Step 4. Write in scientific notation. Use the coefficient, the number you found in step 2, and the power of 10 based on how many places you moved the decimal. Since we moved it 6 places to the left, we write it as 10 to the power of 6. Thus, 4,500,000 in scientific notation is 4.5 times 10 to the power of 6. Understanding scientific notation, small numbers. Let's consider converting a small number such as 0.00032. Step 1. Identify the number. The number is 0.00032. Step 2. Move the decimal point to the right until you have the non-zero digit to the left. Moving it 4 places to the right gives us 3.2. Step 3. Count the moves. We move the decimal 4 places to the right. Step 4. Write in scientific notation. Since we move the decimal to the right, the power of 10 will be negative. Therefore, it becomes 3.2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. In summary, large numbers move the decimal left, positive exponent. Small numbers move the decimal right, negative exponent. By mastering scientific notation, you can effectively handle and communicate large and small values with ease. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.